Good morning, tumblers. Saturday 30th from HQ. I'm going to try and use my knowledge and experience to get a picture of a little parakeet, because when it seems to be when I let the birds out, Mr. Parakeet comes round for a spin. Good news, we have the mullet photograph. I shall tag it on the end of this little piecey. I'll get out the road and let's see a little parakeet comes along. Morning bobbinses. Morning girls and boys. Ah, there's a chipper there, isn't it? There. Where are you, little sausage? He's in that tree somewhere. Hear him? There. See him? There he is. Got him. Little Percy parakeet wants to be a pigeon. And somebody can see that clear enough. Can you tell me what kind of parakeety thing it is? We have a wild parakeet-esque something at Tumble Towers, and he thinks he's a pigeon. That's just what the Tumble Towers want. The little parakeet at Tumble Towers. If any of you people are close enough to tell me what kind of bird it is, I'm not well up in my parakeets, etc., or cockatiels, or whatever it is. But there he is sitting there, and he wants to be a pigeon. Going to Tumble Towers massive. Saturday the 30th, and I have a picture of the mullet. The winning entry for the Tumble Towers free YB for Blackpool competition will be announced later. Saturday the 30th, I don't know if I said that, but we're going to take the dog a walk down the field. Excuse my shaky hands, TTR the mullet. Look at the fucking nick of that. It's the only way I could think to get it recorded and show you. What a start, Mark. Well done, Mark Spencer, for joining in the crack. What's a hairdo? Woo! The winner of TTR birdie competition.